Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the microphone on a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G phone. For cleaning we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need isopropyl alcohol, pure, so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates without leaving a trace. And you can buy this brush and this diffuser in a set like this on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have that option, you can try using a regular toothbrush, as long as the bristles are soft or medium hard. We must turn off the phone before cleaning. We never clean the phone while it's turned on because we could damage it. We hold down the volume down and power buttons, select power off and wait for it to shut down. In the meantime, we sprinkle the toothbrush with alcohol so that it's damp. We take the phone in our hand, and here we have the microphone opening, and we clean this opening with a sweeping motion 10 times in one direction. The fact that alcohol flows further inside doesn't matter, because alcohol evaporates within 10 to 15 minutes. Then do the same in the other direction for 10 to 15 strokes. Not too hard, just gently so that the toothbrush bristles enter the opening and clean it out. Then towards the screen, 5 to 10 strokes, and towards the flap, the same. If it's very dirty, it's good to repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction. Then the microphone will be perfectly cleaned. Next, we turn the phone upside down. We have a second microphone here on the other side of the phone. One is used for calls, and the other for noise cancellation, for speakerphone mode, and generally for silencing the surroundings during a call. And we clean it the same way, meaning 10 to 15 strokes in each direction. And we can also repeat this 2 or 3 times so that the second microphone opening is perfectly cleaned. It's also good to make a few strokes towards the screen and the same towards the back cover. If it were very dirty on either side, this kind of cleaning will thoroughly clean it for you. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates. And after that time, we can normally turn the phone on and use it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.